So I wanted to be brutally honest with this review. So I actually filtered by the one-star reviews for this product just to kind of get a comprehensive understanding of what the gripes were about it. And so it seemed like the biggest gripes people had were one, that the actual quality of the filter, right? Can it actually pull in and filter out dust, right? And I just want to answer that question because it seems like some people had a problem. Now, I will say that this is for home use. Okay, this isn't like an industrial put at a work site kind of filter. This is for your home. It shouldn't be in like a home construction zone. So yeah, it pulls in enough, but if you were to fill the room with dust, you would have to change the filter fairly quickly. So yeah, in terms of the review, yes, this is true, but it is for home use. And then the other gripe people had was, basically the fact that you had to change the filter. It started smelling burnt. Well, that is what happens when you don't change the filter. So that is part of a filter. It's not necessarily a Levoit problem or a product problem. It's more just a problem with having air filters. And so basically you can just rebuy these filters for super cheap, in my opinion. And you just put them back in. And then the burnt smelling problem is not so much a problem anymore. And so really those were the biggest gripes that people had, but I've been using this for over 8 months now, and it's something that I seriously can't go without. I do have a lot of problems with allergies and stuff, so I have this next to my bed on my kind of side table, and it's been super effective at kind of reducing the amount of pollen or whatever it is around me. And so the air that I'm actually breathing goes through this filter, so it's super nice. Yeah, it's a great product that I highly recommend everyone getting. The only other problem I saw was kind of the level of the sound coming out of the different levels, right? So on level 3, it's a little bit louder, but I enjoy the white noise to an extent, so it's not a problem for me. But yeah, I highly recommend you guys get one for yourself.